you're just like me and you like testing things out before you buy them, you are in the correct video, because in this video I'm going to show you the step-by-step so you can try Forex online for completely free. And to do this, obviously we're going to come to the website and we're going to scroll right back down to choose your trading plan, where basically we've got our annual plans and our lifetime plans, but as well we've got free demo. And this is the easiest way to get Forex online and try it completely free, so you can see all the features that we've got in there. So the only thing we need is a real email and a name. So here I'm going to enter one of my emails. So this is FTO trial, and here basically my name obviously is Jack. So now I agree with the privacy, and just like that I'm straight into the chart, so I can basically start testing things out. Obviously if we want to back out and do different type of projects, we would have to get the paid subscription, but if not, we can use this for completely free. We'll have an entire month of the euro against the dollar and the dollar against the yen, that we can find it here up where it says euro USD. If we click here, we've got 1 month on the euro dollar and 1 month on the dollar against the yen. And as well, I would highly recommend you to come here to settings and come to keyboard shortcuts, because obviously here you can put all the shortcuts straight into your keyboard to make back testing a lot faster. Basic things like bar forward, I could just go and put it on D, and the bar back I can put it on A, and this way I can go forwards and backwards easy on my keyboard. And as well, another major shortcut that we should add is basically coming here and coming to trading, new order. Okay, if I click on new order and I leave it on W, and now I've got in the palm of my hand, I can go backwards, forwards, and open a new order. And by doing this, obviously I've got my limits, I've got my stops, and I can open market. Here I can set my lot size, and if I add a stop loss, I can actually set it in percentage. So let's say I'm going to add a buy just here, so I'll just add the stop down here, and easy like that I can either risk in dollars if I don't want to do it in percentages, or I can just say I want to risk a 1% in this trade. Then I'll just select my take profit, just put it here above. And then another strong point that we've got is journaling. Okay, let's say I've got different type of setups, I can filter them all into one unique backtest. So here I could select my confidence level. Let's say if I've got different type of setups, I will have different type of confidence on each setup. So let's say I'll say it's a medium. Here I can add my tags that I would have to add. So let's say if it's a pullback, if it's a breakout, if it's an order block, whatever. Here I can write a comment. Here I can take a quick screenshot, and just by doing that, the screenshot will be always saved in my journal. And then just a checklist, if in case I've got any checklists, so we can create them up here. There's his here checklist. We can create a complete new checklist. Obviously I don't have any here, so I'm going to place my order, and now I can just go forward like that, or even easier and quicker, I can click right on the order, go to order close, and that's how I hit a take profit without even seeing the chart moving around. Because obviously this is the fun part of Forex online, that we can automate loads of stuff, and on top of that we can make things go a lot faster than usual. And let's say you're a trader just like me that likes to take just one trade a day. Perfect, I've taken my trade, I can come to go to and go to my next London session just like that. As well, we can set this up in shortcuts. If we use a London session all the time, we could just press L and it will take us to the London session if we set it up in our shortcuts. And the go-to features don't stay there, because obviously we've got the London, we've got the New York, the Asian, silver bullet, and then as well to the previous Asian high, psychological levels, previous daily bar highs, or we can come to a custom date, next day open, next week open, or the next month open. We can do virtually any type of movements inside of the chart with only just a glimpse. And apart from that, we have all the indicators that you can find up here. We've got the trend, we've got the volume, we've got the oscillators, and as well we've got the adaptive. These are custom indicators that we are implementing, and obviously we're going to implement many more. And as you can see, we've got the trading sessions where I can basically select the sessions or add my custom sessions, and it'll show all the sessions straight on the chart. And as well, indicator that I use every single day are the psychological levels, where I can just basically add this to 1 to leave it every 10 pips. And there I've got my psychological levels every 10 pips. Obviously you can select every 100, every 500, as many as you want. And if we get the subscription, we can actually upload our indicators. So obviously this is another huge point, because we can bring any indicator from MetaTrader 5, from TradingView, from anywhere into Forex online. But now let's come to the strong key points that Forex online has got, and it's the analytics. Okay, because first of all, we have analytics in sight. This is basically an algorithm that was designed by a professional algorithmic trader, and it basically is going to tell you the points that you can improve and the strengths of your strategy so you can improve. And this is all data based, so obviously it's no type of AI, it's no guessing, it's all pure data analyzing your strategy. And to put the cherry on the top of this is that once we've actually selected the points that we're going to improve, let's say if we don't use a stop loss, we could say use a stop loss, then we can come just below and we can look for our exit optimizer. This obviously only comes in the pro plan because it's a massive tool that will analyze your trading strategy while you're doing the backtest. And the thing is that it will select the best stop loss, the best take profit, and the best holding time for your trade. So basically it's going to draw a complete optimization of your strategy, and it's going to show you, hey, you should use these parameters for your trading strategy. If we come down below, we've got the performance over time, our equity chart, and then if we come down below, we can see all the risk and performance metrics that are always nice to see. And on top of that, we've got our trading activity calendar, so we can see how it's performing day by day. Having said this, I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I hope obviously you enjoy the free trial of Forex Online. And if you decide to get a lifetime or just an annual subscription, back down in the comments you'll always find a nice discount coupon so you can get Forex Online for a cheaper price. My name is Jack, and I'll see you next time.